you, sir. Thank you, sir. Congratulations, Samrat. Please clap for him. And I would like to request Dr. Ujjwal Sarkar to present this award. No. Congratulations, Costa. Ma'am. Thank you, sir. Award for the session 2014-15, and the award goes to Sompa Saha. They are the important part of our school. Thank you, sir. Congratulations. Round of applause for her. Including all the criteria. So he got the first award for the session 2014 and 15. Thank you. Now, okay, next award is for the highest attendance award for the session 2014-15, and the award goes to Miss Kaustav Roy from nursery. Please clap for him. And I would like to request Dr. Ujjwal Sarkar to present this award. Kaustav Roy. Kaustav Roy for the highest attendance for the session 2014-15. No. Congratulations, Kaustav. Thank you, sir. Next, our award for the Marvelous Ma'am Award for the session 2014-15. And the award for the Marvelous Ma'am goes to Miss Mampi Ghosh. I request ma'am, please come into the stage and receive the award. And I would like to request Dr. Asim Manna, please give this award to ma'am. Please ma'am. Please sir. Congratulations ma'am. Please have a big round of applause for ma'am. Thank you sir. After all this, we cannot forget about our aunties, a very essential part of our school. They are so lovable, helpful, caring, motherhood feeling. So, next award is for the Awesome Auntie Award for the session 2014-15, and the award goes to Sompa Saha, to whom we all know Pink Auntie. Pink Auntie, please come on the stage, and I would like to request Mr. Chiranjeev Mitro, please give this award to Pink Auntie. Please have a big round of applause. They are the important part of our school. Thank you, sir. Congratulations, Pink Auntie. Next award is for the Newcomer Award. So next award for the Newcomer Award goes for the Newcomer Teacher Award, and it goes to Priyanka Sarkar. Miss Priyanka Sarkar, as she is not present here, so I would like to request Mr. Supratik Chaudhary, or our sir, to please come on the stage and receive the award on behalf of him. Mampi ma'am, you please receive the award on behalf of Priyanka ma'am, and I would like to request Dr. Sandeep Lahari, please give this award. She is not present here, but please have a big round of applause for her. The last but not the least award, the award for the Newcomer Auntie. And the Newcomer Auntie Award goes to Ujjwala Sarkar, or to whom we call Blue Auntie. Blue Auntie. And I would like to call upon Dr. Ujjwal Sarkar. Please give this award to her. Congratulations, Auntie. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir, for all this award you have given present, for giving us so precious time of yours here. Thank you so much once again. On behalf of Shamrock Disha, I am thanking you for all this. Thank you very much, sir. Please clap for them. They have given their precious time to us. Please clap for them. Thank you so much. And now we'll move to our last but not the least performance, our closing ceremony. So, we'll take some few minutes and then we will coming back. Wait and once again I'm repeating, please all students come on the stage. All students, Ayush Datta, come. I request all teachers and aunties, you too, please come on the stage.
Everybody's looking for a happy ending. Happy ending, happy ending. Har kahani ki ho happy ending. तक वो शोहरत की हो कभी तो छत पे यूं ही छम छम हुई तो बारिश वो दौलत की हो
जैसे होते हैं ख्याली बातों में
सभी के वैसे ही बुरे अरमान सबका भला हो सबका सही हो अपना भी लेकिन सबसे सही हो हमसे ना ऊपर कोई कहीं हो सबका भला हो सबका सही हो सबका भला हो सबका सही हो अपना भी लेकिन सबसे सही हो हमसे ना ऊपर कोई कहीं हो सबका भला
Disha, dear parents and beloved and our loving children. Now, as we reach our culmination of our program, on behalf of Shamrock Disha, I would like to thank to all the parents present here who has given their precious time to make this event successful. Special, and also I like to thank entire fraternity of the Shamrock Disha who has contributed a lot in making this annual day function an outstanding success. So thank you once again to everyone, every parents, grandparents and every part of the Shamrock Disha. There is an announcement that tomorrow our school classes has been suspended. Only school office will remain open. So please, tomorrow on 28th January, our classes has been suspended. Only school office will remain open. Thank you so much. Bye bye.